Yes, good day everyone. Thank God for another day. The last time I did a video on plotting a survey directly from jpeg. We're able to see how to plot this survey without drafting, without just plotting it by scaling. You can check the video and the link behind. Today I will show you the standard way of plotting the same survey, using AutoCAD without importing it into AutoCAD. So come along with me and let's go ahead. So I have the survey open. I have my AutoCAD open here. I can open any AutoCAD. Let me minimize that so that we see both windows. We have this here and we have that there. So now I have my survey here. I can enlarge it, and you have to see the way it is the cardinal point there. So you have the beacons, you have all the angles. So in order to plot this out directly without importing into AutoCAD, you follow these steps. You first have to confirm if the cardinal point of the page is according. You come to all right. In order to ensure that it's properly plotted, is a particular setting you need to check. You go to the AutoCAD settings here. You go to drawing utilities. You go to units. Then you make sure that it's in clockwise. You tag this. Then you go to direction and make sure north is 270. Okay. From there to confirm that, ensure all these are correct, the units are correct, you press OK. Now in plotting that, I'm going to use a shortcut which I'm going to type for you to see. You press L, enter, L space, select the point here, you draw it up. Now you shift angle 62D 40 minutes, space, enter. You can see you got the angle there. Select any point, then you will use it to confirm. You make sure it's intersected at that point. You now measure the meters. This is 53 millimeter. You get that. So with this, now you are very sure you've gotten this first length, this degrees, and this length there, 54.53. So you go to the next one at this point, and that is 145 degrees 29 minutes there. So you move ahead as well. You use the same shift degree 145D 29 minutes. So you got that. You can see the angle there. So make sure this is just to confirm, to make sure that you're getting the lengths properly. So you now measure that 26990. So that gives you this length there. You end that as well. So you can see. So to do the next one, you do the same L, enter, L space or enter. Then you do shift angle 242D 40 minutes. You've gotten the next one there. So you now make sure that this is intersecting at the center. To get intersection, you check the units here and make sure intersection is selected, midpoint, center, endpoint, make sure it's selected. So you now take this to that beginning point there and you measure 54,510, because in millimeter you have to convert that to millimeter. You now measure that, so that's the end of that. So the final one here now is, let me open it more. So the final one is 328 degrees 01 minutes. So you take that and do angle, enter, 328D 01, and you end that. So you can see, I guess I've made a slight error. Maybe I didn't see that. I guess that minutes because it's meant to touch here. So it's meant to connect, but you must make sure that you see the angles very well. So I can see this is not. Let me go. If I go back here and I try to redraw that, and I do this enter, and I do 146, I guess, D, then I do 29 minutes. Well, it's still not. So you can see that's the difference between plotting it by importing, and you must, in order to draw this, you must make sure that you can see the digits very well. Well, let's go with this. So make sure you use a survey that is clearer so that you can see that. So you have all those like that, and you have your baking points which you can carry along to each of them like that, and we'll continue from there. Here I'm going to show you the best way to plot your design, how to start the design before taking it to Revit. Thank you for joining me today once again. Please don't forget to like by YouTube and share, and follow me up and watch the other videos. Thank you.